The Vespa Retrokit Electric Conversion scooter is an innovative upgrade for classic Vespa models, transforming them into efficient, eco-friendly electric scooters while preserving their iconic vintage look. This conversion kit is designed for Vespa enthusiasts who want to maintain the timeless design of their scooter while benefiting from modern electric technology. With this kit, older Vespa models can be converted to electric power without significant modifications to their original structure. The Retrokit offers a seamless transition from gasoline to electric propulsion, providing an environmentally friendly alternative for daily commuting. One of the key highlights of this electric conversion kit is its powerful motor, which ensures smooth acceleration and a responsive ride. The electric motor is designed to fit perfectly into the existing Vespa frame, eliminating the need for complex modifications. It provides an optimal balance between power and efficiency, making it suitable for urban commuting and short trips. The battery system is another standout feature, offering a decent range on a single charge, depending on usage and terrain. Charging is simple, with options for removable or built-in battery packs, allowing flexibility based on user preference. Performance-wise, the Vespa Retrokit Electric Conversion scooter delivers a quiet yet powerful ride. The electric motor provides instant torque, ensuring quick takeoff and smooth speed transitions. The top speed varies depending on the model and power configuration but typically falls within the range of city speed limits, making it perfect for navigating urban environments. Regenerative braking is also included in many models, enhancing efficiency by converting kinetic energy into battery power during deceleration. Comfort and design are well maintained in this conversion process. The kit retains the classic Vespa aesthetics while integrating modern electric components discreetly. The suspension system remains effective, ensuring a smooth ride over various road conditions. Weight distribution is balanced to maintain the stability and handling Vespa riders appreciate. Additionally, digital displays and connectivity features may be available, offering insights into battery status, speed, and riding modes. The Vespa Retrokit Electric Conversion scooter is an ideal choice for riders looking to reduce their carbon footprint while enjoying a nostalgic riding experience. This electric conversion significantly reduces emissions and maintenance costs, eliminating the need for frequent oil changes and fuel expenses. The longevity of electric motors and batteries ensures reliability over time, making this a cost-effective solution in the long run. Many users appreciate the quiet operation, allowing for a more pleasant riding experience without engine noise. For those considering this conversion, installation is relatively straightforward, with some kits offering plug-and-play features. However, professional installation is recommended for optimal performance and safety. Depending on local regulations, licensing and registration requirements may vary, so checking with relevant authorities is advised before making the switch. The Vespa Retrokit Electric Conversion scooter is a perfect blend of classic style and modern technology, offering a sustainable and efficient alternative to traditional gasoline-powered scooters. It provides an excellent riding experience with minimal environmental impact while preserving the heritage of Vespa scooters. If you love vintage scooters but want to embrace the future of mobility, this conversion kit is a great investment. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated with more reviews, specifications, and features of the latest electric scooters and other exciting automotive innovations.